Have you ever wondered why some organizations thrive while others simply survive? The answer often lies not in the products or services they offer, but in the culture they cultivate. Consider the case of Zappos, an online shoe and clothing retailer. They established a reputation for exceptional customer service, but the secret to their success wasn't a unique business strategy or superior product. It was their extraordinary workplace culture. Zappos's leaders understood that a strong culture could be a competitive advantage. They encouraged employees to bring their personalities to work and fostered an environment where people felt comfortable expressing themselves. They built a culture based on 10 core values, including create fun and a little weirdness, and be humble. Employees were empowered to make decisions that aligned with these values, even if it meant straying from conventional business practices. For instance, customer service representatives were given the freedom to spend as much time on a call as necessary to resolve a customer's issue without worrying about average call times. This commitment to culture didn't just create a fun place to work. It led to superior customer service, a unique brand identity, and ultimately, a billion-dollar acquisition by Amazon. But Zappos is not an isolated case. Research has consistently shown that companies with strong cultures outperform their competitors. They have higher levels of employee engagement, lower turnover, and better financial performance. The key to this success isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Each organization's culture is as unique as its employees. It's shaped by shared values, rituals, and traditions. It's influenced by the leadership, but also by each individual's contribution. So what does this mean for you? It's time to take a closer look at your own organization's culture. Is it a source of strength, or could it be holding you back? Consider the values that guide your actions. Are they clearly defined and consistently applied? Do they reflect the kind of organization you aspire to be? Think about the rituals and traditions that define your workplace. Do they foster a sense of belonging and shared purpose? Reflect on your role, whether you're a leader or a team member. Are you contributing to a culture that empowers others and drives success? A thriving workplace culture isn't built overnight. It takes deliberate effort and commitment, but the payoff can be extraordinary. So don't wait. Start shaping the culture you want to see today, because in the end, it's not just about what we do, it's about who we are